let's see what shine. Now, for that to be as old as it is, that is unbelievable. That is literally unbelievable. It is beautiful. Beautiful looking vehicle. I can't wait to get that 390 running. All that dirt, all that grime. Very clean. I love the patina on it. I don't even think I'd repaint it. That is just, that's unreal. Now back to the front. Look at this. Yeah, I gotta say, my wife had mentioned also, I love the patina in it. It's awesome.
Hey, look at me. I'm gonna be driving around in a Mercury. Crazy bad at Mercury.
Alan Jackson.